We're in the process of revamping our set, so for right now, you just get blue. This is kind of another public service announcement. We did another one a few weeks back where I told you now is a really bad time to buy a phone. This is a product that I reviewed a while back and liked. My experience with it has totally changed. Do not buy Google Wi-Fi. And let me tell you why. So my house is not that big. It's about 1,800 square feet. It's just a few bedrooms. I picked up Google Wi-Fi because I wanted to have a mesh network to essentially extend my Wi-Fi network throughout my whole house. So I had a really hard time getting reception with my pretty awesome Netgear Nighthawk up in my bedroom, and I couldn't move the router. A bit of background, I've got AT&T's Gigablast internet in my home, so I should theoretically be getting 1,000 up and 1,000 down. I never saw anything close to that, but when I was standing next to the Nighthawk, generally I got about 700 up or down on Wi-Fi. And then when I plugged in directly, I would get that full 1,000 speed. Crazy fast! So I set up Google Wi-Fi at my house. I was testing it at the office and I was super excited. And my speeds dropped instantly to about 300 up and 200. So I reset everything, did it again. Speed stayed consistent, and I just kind of dealt with it because those speeds are still pretty fast. And I get that, those speeds are still really quick, but they're not what I'm paying for. So Google Wi-Fi has a 1-800 number on the back. Called it. Their service was great. They answered the phone right away. Tried to walk me through what was going on. They had no idea. They had me run diagnostics, send diagnostics back to Google, and they came back with a big like, we don't know what's going on. So I'm paying for fast speeds, but I'm not getting fast speeds. And beyond that, the mesh capabilities of Google Wi-Fi have not been that good. I'm still barely getting more service than I had with just the single Nighthawk router before. So I was bummed, and I figured I want to be the voice of the consumer. I want to tell you guys my experiences. I get a lot of questions from you guys about products to buy, and I recommend a lot of products, but I feel like I should probably not recommend some as well when I get one that does not work for me. But I'm going to be testing a few other options. I'm going to test Amplify, I'm going to test Eero, and I'm going to test Orbi as well to find one that works. If you guys are looking for a mesh network, hopefully you'll find one out of those that should work for you. And if you've used one, you've got an option, leave a comment down below and let me know which one you guys use, because I'm really looking for something good. I'm moving in about 2 months, and I want something that's going to be able to cover my whole home. And I really need hardware that's going to function properly, and I want to get at least close to those full theoretical speeds. So thank you guys for watching. I want to take a quick second to give you the comment of the day. The comment of the day comes from our Tech to Save You Money video, and it comes from Double AIV, who asks, you could have gone slightly in more depth with each product, such as why LED bulbs are the best option. So if you want to follow him, link to it down below. And to your question, I say, it was more of kind of a teaser style video. Here's some general tech that can save you money. If you want to know more details about it, we can definitely do that in upcoming videos. And if you want to be featured in an upcoming comment of the day, it's pretty obvious. Just leave a comment down below. Bit of a different kind of video we've done in the past, more of a TB news style PSA. Don't buy Google Wi-Fi. Just save yourself the money, wait till software updates come and maybe it gets improved. But for right now, I cannot recommend Google Wi-Fi.